My name is Adrian and I drive a 2025 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a daily driver, personal vehicle. I have a boat and a RV we tow with it that's pretty heavy, so it works pretty good for that. I had an older Super Duty. It was a 2019 and it had the SecuriCode on the door. And as soon as I bought the new 2025 F-250, I definitely missed the SecuriCode keypad on the door. There's lots of times where, I'm working around the house and you get something out of the truck, and if I don't have my keys or my phone on me, I can't get in the vehicle because the keypad's not on there. So this definitely will help, being able to get in and out of the truck. I've done several modifications to the truck, obviously lift kit and tires. I think this is probably going to be my favorite once it's installed and operational. Looks really great, looks just like from the factory. The trim panel looks exactly the same, it just looks like and I know they replaced it, but it looks like, they added it and it looks really good. Looks like the one on my older truck, and I'm sure it'll work just as good.